a Home Depot run. We got some Artec 1.5 inch insulating foam. Bunch of other stuff, like great stuff for gaps and cracks. Yeah, we actually got 4, but I had to return one because it didn't fit in our van. So I guess we'll see how many more we will need, but that is kind of the next thing we need to do and what is on our agenda. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the van. Because the roof was a bit bent, had dents. Greg went up there to unbend it, and now we are trying to, he's I guess trying to prop it up so the beams.
So they had something hanging and they pulled those braces down. They're kind of bent. So seems to be working pretty good.
A lot of noise, but hopefully. So we can measure the insulation and put that in so it's nice and even. Seems to be doing a good job.
Can we get the fan out?
All right. Okay, so this is our first attempt of putting on the Artec insulation. We decided to not cut it exactly to size so we can save on the actual boards.
Get more out of each sheet.
So we're gonna
I need a light.
cut them widthwise.
48 is the width of the sheet, so you're just gonna get whatever 20 something out of that instead of ruining the sheet.
So we'll have few gaps on the edges, but we will fill it in with the things that will be kind of left over. So saving on the board, I guess, utilizing everything possible that we have. We are doing an attempt, I guess. Greg's trying to spray it. It's getting darker, so he can't really see. So we do need a light. Okay, I'm going to pause this and we'll be right back. Yay, we found it. Okay, so I guess 3M spray, right?
90.
90. 3M 90.
Yeah, we let it sit.
Let it sit. And then we sprayed the board also. Let's see. Is it ready to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Let's get in there. And we are propping it up with a board to kind of keep it stuck on there.
Ta-da!
Yay! Propping it up.
Can I get a little board in a second?
Okay. I guess we're trying all kinds of sizes so we can get a better grip on the whole foam on top. So what is that? That's a regular 2x4, right?
1.5 by 3.5.
1.5 by 3.5.
Yeah, 1.5 by 3.5.
Oh, so it's not a 2x4.
It is a 2x4.
Oh, but the actual size is different.
You.
Okay.
That's how they trick you.
Okay, so
Ta-da!
ta-da! Yay! I guess we're going to be measuring everything else. I don't know how much we're going to be able to get done today because it is getting darker and bugs are starting to bite. The skitters are not good. So, okay. Yay for one of them and quite a few more to go. So, Wish us luck. So that's a wrap for today. We only did 2 because we don't want to waste too many 2x4s because we do need to actually cut them, as you can see. So that's enough for today, and I guess you guys will see you tomorrow possibly. Greg does work till 5, and by the time he gets home and he eats dinner, and then you can start on more stuff. But so far, that's it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Another day. I don't think it's cooking. Hold on.
It was fine.
No. So it's not the official fan installation. Just making markings because we are in the need of another fan. One in the back, one in the front, just so we have in and out flow.
No.
Last time with our Ford Transit, we actually had to open windows every single time we were using the fan for out or in.
It doesn't matter, we still have to open the window.
We had to open the window every single time, and it wasn't that convenient. So this time we learned, and we're doing 2.
So we might use a fancy Maxxer fan for above the bed, and then just like a cheapo regular one, just so we don't have to open the windows.
FYI, our 9-year-old is recording. If it's shaky, we still love you, Mika. Yeah, we took down the support for our tech here, and we still have this one on. It's doing a pretty good job. It's, you know, kind of warm, but, you know, it's hot. So,
Hot.
So it works. Great. We are planning on putting 2 more panels on. And gluing it down, and hopefully have 2
panels at the end of the day
down, and then a million more to go. Good job. Awesome. Thank you, Mika. Okay, we got another 2 going in there. Wait for it to dry, and we'll go with 2 more. We marked our fan lines, one here and one there. Since we are going to be going with kids. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Leftovers, see? Perfect. So because we are...
So we used 1 full sheet, 4x8, to do
for
all
these?
this. So
Cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, and the scrap will fit that small gap.
Cool.
But that's on the extended sprinter. Normal sprinter probably has a different spacing. Or
Alright.
some of them are different.
Cool. So yeah. We were kind of doing a little bit of measurements how we can set up beds because we have 2 kids. Last time we had a king-size bed in the other car, which sort of fit perfectly because we co-slept with our kids ever since they were little. We are used to sleeping with them on one bed, but they are getting bigger, and it is getting tighter.
And they kick.
And they kick. So we're planning on either an L shape over here, and then us on the bottom. But I guess we will see. Right?
Yep.
Alright guys. 2 done. Hey YouTube. We're kind of flipping and flopping our days with the work that we do. Recently we just did the window installation and the fans. And we haven't had a chance to do the installation with the Artec. So today I'm going to try to cut some out, possibly glue them down, but hopefully to put this video together with a bunch of different days into one to show you how we insulated the whole van. See you later. Hola. So we are
The Drozds. Or we are filling the foam. We are building a van.
yes, all that stuff. Anyway, we are not officially done with the insulation because we do not want to waste our 2x4s to prop stuff up. So we'll just do it in the morning to finish it up. I mean, all we really have is sides, but everything else is kind of in. Now, Greg will do.
Oh, I know. I lost.
Probably should change your shirt. Yes. Tip. The foam does drop, like drips and gets stuck, and it's not fun. So, yeah. Hence the change of shirts. And yeah, we're gonna try to get possibly the top and the bottom. Of course, we can't do the sides. Not all the top because we are not done with the fans. We need to do a little border around it. But so far, that's what we're gonna do. Wish us luck. Thanks. See you later. Forgot to mention, we are using the Great Stuff Big Gap Refill. I'm assuming it's gonna be backwards. I think it's gonna be backwards, but you get the point. I don't know if I'll be able to turn it in the video later. But Great Stuff. That's what we're using. Hopefully it will do a good job. Thanks. Hey guys, millionth day of never,
Actually,
ever,
7th.
ever ending insulation. This just literally doesn't stop. If it's not one, then you're like, oh wait, I forgot this, or I forgot this. It's never ending. It
Never
is
ending insulation. Yay!
crazy amount of work, and I know a lot of people that we've seen a bunch of YouTube videos of people doing this. It takes a long time. So if you guys are doing a van, be patient with insulation because it just takes forever. Yay! So on today,
Never ending insulation. That's
on today what?
Day 7, I think.
Day 7? I don't know. Might seem it seems like more. So, Aiden, you want to tell us what you're doing?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
So we're putting insulation.
But what are you doing actually now
I'm
with your?
trimming it. I'm getting all the foam to be flush with the wall.
So you're cutting it out, right?
Yes, cutting.
And you, Miko? What are you doing?
Being lazy, that's what he's doing.
Alright guys, well you're doing a good job. Hopefully everything off the floor will also be picked up. But on to another day of insulation work.
Actually,
I guess subscribe here, comment below. Any comments would be really good. This is kind of our first time. We never did this before, so yeah. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.